Forex Fortune Hunters, here's another short video to show you how to manipulate the values in the lines on your Fibonacci tool. The Fibonacci tool is right over here, and we left click, hold, and drag it onto the chart. We go from A to B. We're looking for a pullback to C. Sometimes, as you know, we have a cup configuration. We actually drop back and hit a 127 on the downside. If this area does not hold, and if we break the chandelier, we know we're in for some trouble. In this particular case, we came up and we immediately got right to the 127 level. We pulled back again before we went almost to the 200 level. That's 100% more than the AB swing, 61% more than the AB swing, 27% more than the AB swing. Okay, now how do we do this? Well, if you can't grab it and you can't see these dots, you can simply go to Objects List, you can click on Fibo, and you can hit Edit. Notice that in the value chain here we have 0, 38% is the first pullback, 50% is the pullback we saw, 61.8 and so forth, all the way down to our 1, which is the original A mark on the upswing. Now what we've got, though, is a confusion because we have a 1.618 and then another 1.618. Which one is up and which one is down? Well, it's quite the reverse of what you would expect. In fact, the negative number, the minus 0.618, is the extension to the upside. And how do I know that? Well, I used a trick. I used our percentage mark, $, in the description zone, and when I added that in and said OK, you'll notice that the price level for this particular pair that was at the 1618 extension to the upside up here in our D swing, that particular number was actually the negative number. So we'll go back, we'll see about 1.27, okay? That will probably be a negative number as well, okay? So here we go, and let's see what that one was. And sure enough, the 127 up here is minus 0.27. And the positives, 1.27 and 1.618, the positives, those numbers are the ones to the downside of our list, and they are shown right here. Okay? So the important thing is also to be able to add, should you wish to, because you can add any level in that you'd like on this particular input zone. Let's see about it. I went back and I said I'd like to see what the 200% looks like. And so knowing as I do now that the 200 is a negative number because it's higher than the AB swing, I put in minus 1 because we want to know what's 100% higher than the AB. And so that came out. I put a 200 here so that it would give me a descriptive image at the side. I could have also said, okay, what's that value? Percentage mark, $, add. Let's get rid of these. They were unnecessary. Okay, now we have it. We'll do our business, and we can see that 200% was a value at 66.54, meaning that we needed 66 cents US and 54 pips to buy one New Zealand dollar. Okay, so the New Zealand dollar is priced less than the US dollar, obviously. Okay, so that's how you go about it. I hope these values and these plus and minus signs in the video will be helpful to you as you test and experiment with your own Fibonacci's. Good luck, and see you in the room.